morning everyone. Exercise 3F we have completed. Today we will start properties of HCF and LCM. For this, see example number 25. Find the HCF and LCM of 44 and 35 that you can find easily. See, before that I will explain you what are co-prime numbers. Okay, what are co-prime numbers? What are co-prime numbers? See, one example is given to you, 35 and 39. Okay, first of all take out the LCM, sorry HCF 35 and 39. Here 39. See, can you find any common number here? Is there any common number here? Only 1. And rather than 1, any common number is not seen here. So, it is a co-prime number. Okay. See, if in place of 39, just suppose in place of 39, here 25 is given. See, then find the HCF of 35 and 25. Here by 5 7s are 35. Which are the common factors here? 5 into 7 into 1, 5 into 5 into 1. See, here 1 is common and one more number 5 is common. 5 into 1 is common here. It is not a co-prime number. Co-prime number. Why? Because here two products are common, 5 and 1. Okay. Find the HCF and LCM of 44 and 35. HCF and LCM of 44 and 35. 44 and 35. Only one is common here, so it is a co-prime number. See, not any other number is common here. 2, 5, 11, 7, only one is common here, so it is a co-prime number. Now see example number 26. Before that, you have to read out the formulas given here. That product of two numbers HCF into LCM, and if you have to find the other number, for that you have to put HCF into LCM upon the other number given. See example number 26 we will solve. 26. Two numbers have their HCF as 8 and LCM as 96. Two numbers. Let two numbers are 8 and 96. 8 is the LCM here. 8 is equal to LCM and 96 is equal to HCF. HCF as have their HCF as 8 and LCM. Sorry, LCM is 96 and HCF is 8. Now what they are asking, find the other number. For this, product of two numbers product of number is equal to 8 into 96 is equal to 768 is the product of number. Now find the other number. You have to find the other number. Then other number is equal to 768 upon one number is given here. One of the number is equal to 24. So you have to divide here by 24. Directly divide by 12. 12 3s are 36, remainder 2, 12 2s are 24. Therefore, the other number is 32. Exercise 3Z. So your first question is, identify the numbers which are co-primes to the first number in the row. See, you have to identify here the co-prime numbers. First A, 63, 27, 93, 43, 23, 33 and 53. For finding the co-prime numbers, which are co-prime numbers here and which are not the co-prime numbers here, you have to find out the LCM here, HCF here. 63, 27, 93, 43, 23, 33 and 53. Now see. One here by 3, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 1, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 31, 1. 43, 43 is not the factor of any number, so you have to divide here directly by 43, 1. 23 is also not the factor of any number, so directly divide by 1. For 33, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 11, 1. Now see. Here 53 is also not the factor of any number, so you have to divide it by 53. Now see, which are the common factors here, which are the common numbers you can find. In this 3 you can find, in this also 3 is the common number you can find here, in this also 3 is the common number you can find here. See, this is the different one, here is only 1 is the common factor here, here also 1 is only the common factor here, here also 3 is common from these numbers, here is also only 1 is the common factor here. Now see, therefore the co-prime numbers are 33, 23 and 53. Okay. Now see, question number B, first B, 85, 70, 17, 51, 16, 21 and 34. B, 85, 70, 17, 51, 16, 21, 34. Here you have to find which are the co-prime numbers here. 85, 70, 71, sorry it is 17, 51, 16, 21 and 34. Divided by 5, 17, 1. By 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 1. Now see, where you can see the common factors here. Here is 5 and 17. 5 and 7 is also here, means 5 is here, it means it is not a co-prime number, it is also not a co-prime number. Now see, here 17 you can see and here also you can see the 17, it means it is also not a co-prime number, because here you are getting the common factors here from the first one. Here also 17, it is also not the common factor because 17 is common from this number. Now see, here 16, 2, only 2 is the common number here. Now see, common factor of 16, it means 2 is also not the common, 2 is, this is very different from the other one. Now see, 3 into 7, see 3 is not there, 3 is not the common factor here. Now see, 2 into 17, only 1, 2 into 17 is also common. See, in these two numbers, which are the common factors you can see here? 17 and 5. Can you find 17 in this? Yes. Can you find 5 and 17 in this? Yes, 5 is here. Can you find 17 in this? Yes, 17 is here. Here also 17 is there. Here also 17 is there. But 17 and 5 is not only in this both the numbers. Can you find any 17 here? No. 5 is there? No. These two numbers 16 and 21 are the co-prime numbers here. Okay, because here you cannot find any common number which are matched by these numbers. Here 17, here 17, here 17, here 5 is common here, here 17 is common here. If you are finding 5 here, 5 is also here, means these are also not the co-prime numbers, because in co-prime numbers you have to find only the numbers which have the 1 as a common factor, and if any other number is given here, it also must not be common here. So 16 and 21 are the co-prime numbers here. Now see question number 2. Find the pairs of numbers which are co-prime and then find their HCF and LCM. First of all, you must know which are the common co-prime numbers here. See question number 2. A, 11 and 19. First of all, find that is it a co-prime number or not. First of all, you have to take out the HCF. 19. 11 into 1, 19 into 1. Nothing is common here, only 1 is common here. It means it is a co-prime number. Co-prime number it is. Now find the HCF. Now what is the HCF you got here? HCF is equal to means highest common factor. Which is the common factor you can see here? 1. Means HCF is 1. LCM. For LCM what we will do? 11 into 19. 11 into 19. That is 209 is the LCM here. Now see question number B. 63 and 36. First of all, for finding the co-prime number, you have to take out the HCF. 63 and 36. Directly divide by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. 1. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4, 1. Now see common factors 3 into 3 into 7. 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 1 also you have to write here, because you are finding here co-prime numbers. 1 is common there. Now see 2 is not common here. 3 is common there. Here also 3 is common. It means you are getting here more than one number, you are getting here common. It means it is not a co-prime. It is not a co-prime number. Okay, because you are getting here, why it is not a co-prime number? Because here you are getting more, rather than 1 you are getting 2 co-prime, 2 common numbers. So it is not a co-prime number. So if it is not a co-prime number, no need to find the HCF and LCM for this. Now see question number C. 93 and 30. 93, 30. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 31, 1. Now see 3 into 31, 3 into 2 into 5 into 1. See here also 3 you are getting common here, 1 you are getting here, means more than 2 products you are getting here. Therefore, it is not a co-prime number. Okay. See question number D. 93 and 32. 93, 32. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now see which are the common factor you got here. 3 into 31 into 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. See here only 1 is the common factor. So it is a co-prime number. Okay. Now what is the HCF of this? HCF, only one number is common here. HCF is equal to 1 and LCM is equal to This both number are given here, means 3 into 31 into 1 in 31 into 2 into 2 into 2 into is equal to, you have to find your LCM. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 multiplied by 31. 992 multiplied by 3. 2976 is the LCM of 93 and 32. See, E, F, G and H that you have to solve. See question number 3. The HCF of two numbers is 12 and their product is 4320. What is their LCM? If one of the number is 60, what is the other number? See now. First of all, you have to write here the first number. What is the two numbers given here? The HCF of two number is 12 and their product is 4320. Therefore, let the first number be X. The second means LCM is equal to X. Let the LCM is equal to X and HCF is given here 12. Their product is not given here. So, product of two number is equal to 4320. It means product of two number. What is the formula for it? Product of two number is equal to LCM into HCF. Means 4320 is equal to X into 12. X is the LCM and HCF is 12. Now see 4320 divided by 12 is equal to X. Divide by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, remainder 1, 2 6 are 12, 0. Divide directly by 6, 6 3 are 18, 2 6 are 36, 0. X is equal to 360. Now see, if one of the number is 60, find the other number. Therefore, see, one number is given, already given here. The HCF of two number is 12. We have already find here HCF of two number is 12. Now see, up to here you understood. Now see the if one number is equal to, what is given, one number is equal to 60, therefore other number is equal to 4320 by 60. Other number is equal to 72. Now see, I will explain you once again. Let the LCM is X. It is not given here. HCF is 12. Product of two number is equal to 4320. Product of two number is equal to, what is the LCM for this? LCM into HCF. So 4320 is equal to X. LCM is given here. HCF 12. Now see, When you are taking 12 in divide, so 4320 divided by 12 is equal to 3, x is equal to 360. It means you got the LCM here 360 and HCF is 12. Now see, if one number is 60, already given in the question, if one number is 60, then for finding the other number, one formula is given to you. LCM into HCF upon other number. One formula is given to you, LCM into HCF upon one number is given to you already 60, and LCM into HCF, what is the product you got here? LCM into a product of two numbers, it is already given here 4320. Therefore 4320 divided by 60 is equal to 72. Now see question number 4. The HCF and LCM of two numbers is 15 and 450 respectively. If one number is 75, what is the other number? Now see here, product is not given here in this question. LCM and HCF is given and one number is given. Therefore, the HCF is equal to 15, LCM is equal to 450. Therefore, product of number is equal to LCM into HCF means 15 into 450. Now multiply it, 450 multiply by 15, 0. Six, 7, 5, 0 is the product of the number. Therefore, if one number is equal to 75, other number is equal to product of number divided by the one number given, means 6750 divided by 75. Now divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5, remainder 2, 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 0. Divide directly by 15, 15 9s are 135, 0. Therefore, other number is equal to 90. Question number 5 is your homework. Question number 6 is also your homework. Question number 7 we will solve. Question number 7. The product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is 119. Solution number 19. Product of HCF and LCM is equal to 119. It means LCM is not given here, HCF is not given here, but its product is given here. It means its product is 119. It means you have to find the two numbers here whose product is 119. Now for finding the product of 119, see now which are the product of 119? 1 into 119 and 119 into 1 and one more product. For finding one more product, what you have to do? Take out the, if you are taking out LCM of 119, means 7 ones are 7, remainder 4, 17 to 1. Which are the two factors you got here? 7 into 7. And one more factor, what? 1 into 119 and 7 into 17. So you cannot take 101 for LCM and HCF. For HCF you can take 119. No, you have to find out the two factors. Means 7 into 17 is the factor. The factors see, it is written here, if the two numbers is none, if none of them is 1, the factors of 119. Which are the factors of 119? 1 into 119. If it is given in the question that 1 should not be added here, if 1 should not be added here, then you have to find the other number. It means 7 into 17 is the other factor. If now see, so LCM is equal to 7 and HCF is equal to 17 and their product is equal to 119. How did you know that it is 7 and 17? Because you have taken here the HCF of LCM of 119. By this way you have to know that it is the here you got two factors, 7 into 17, here LCM you got 7, HCF you got 17. The product of this number is 119. Therefore, the factors are 7 and 17. Now see, question number 5 and 6 is your homework, so do it by yourself. Okay? And chapter checkup. Question number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, up to 9 you have to solve from chapter checkup. Okay, solve in your classwork copy. Okay, thank you.